this is the power. Sorry. Hello guys, I am Akash, and in this video we will be discussing about the Ambrane power bank. This power bank is a 27,000 mAh power bank. This power bank has a mammoth capacity of 27,000 mAh and it is also fast charging. This power bank support 18 watts fast charging. So let's not waste time and let's get into the unboxing and let's discuss about the specifications of the Ambrane power bank. So as you can see, this is the box and here it's mentioned fast input and output charging. यहाँ पर कैपेसिटी लिखी है 27,000 mAh और ये है मेड इन इंडिया. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली मेड इन इंडिया. सो लेट्स मूव टू द बैक. यहाँ पर लिखा है कैपेसिटी. यहाँ पर है टाइप सी इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली सपोर्ट्स बोथ टाइप सी इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. It has a quick charge 3.0 technology. It has a LED flashlight as well, dual USB output and smart charging technology. Also here you can see it is mentioned the charging time is between 14 to 18 hours approximately, depends on the power output you are using. Now this time seems a lot, but remember the capacity is huge. It is 27,000 mAh. So let's not waste more time and let's unbox this. So yeah. So as you can see, I have already been using this and we have a pouch here, a very good pouch to protect the power bank if it falls, because as it is 27,000 mAh, the power bank might be quite heavy and if the power bank falls, it might get damaged. So this pouch is very good. It has Ambrane branding here. So let's keep this aside. So here we get a fast charging cable. It is a normal USB to USB-C charging cable. This is to charge the power bank and this is the power bank. Let's keep this aside and let's see what else we have. So here, thanks for choosing Ambrane made in India. Welcome to the family of 7 million plus happy customers. So Ambrane has 7 million plus happy customers. If more than 7 million people have bought Ambrane, you can easily trust the product. If so many people are buying this, then the product has to be good. So here is a user guide. No need to see this. And what we have here. So this is the bill. So I bought it just for 1500 rupees. 1500 for a fast charging power bank which has 27,000 mAh capacity. It's a very good deal. So let's keep this aside and let's see the power bank. So this power bank, I'll tell you it's heavy, but it has to be heavy. It is 27,000 mAh. Come on man, you cannot expect this to be light. So it is a rubberized finish, so even if it falls, the rubber will soak up most of the impact. And let's see the back of it. It's mentioned the model number is PP30 Pro. Capacity is 27,000 mAh. Input is 5 volt 2.5 ampere, 9 volt 2.0 ampere, and output is 5 volt 3.1 ampere and 9 volt 2.0 ampere. And fast charging capacity is 18 watt max. So 18 watt fast charging is supported. So here you can see two USB ports, both for input and output. One USB-A port and one USB-C port. USB-C port is for fast charging. For iPhones and for new Android phones, they support fast charging only through USB-C. So it's important that your power bank has a USB-C port, both for input and for output. If for output, it will charge your phone faster, and for input, it will charge your power bank faster. So here is a power button, and here you also have a flashlight. So let's see. So here there are 4 indicators for the charging levels. Now we have it at 3. So the 3 LEDs are blinking. There is a 4th LED also. If the power bank is fully charged, then the 4 LEDs will glow. So let's see how we turn out the flashlight. So I'll try to long press this. Okay, so if you press the power button long enough, the LED flash will turn on. This is very handy and might prove useful sometimes. So let's turn it off. So this is simple, not much to tell. This is a very high capacity power bank, supports fast charging, 18 watt fast charging and 27,000 mAh battery. This can last up to 4 or 5 recharge cycles depending on the capacity of the battery in your phone. Let's show you the cover also. I'll put this here and it becomes a complete package. It's very safe. You can throw it. The cover is safe. Even if the power bank falls once or twice, your power bank will be safe, but don't let it fall intentionally. Keep it safe. It is a very useful product, and that's it. I personally use this product and I want a large capacity power bank because as it has the capacity of 27,000 mAh, you do not have to charge it too frequently and you can charge your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android phone. Even if your phone has a 5,000 mAh battery, it will charge your phone 3 to 4 times easily. I use this only when I travel. So for daily users, they might need to charge this every second or third day. For a person who just uses power bank rarely or just when they travel, they have to charge this only once or twice a month. This is the power. Sorry. This is the power of the capacity. What the fuck? So that's why having a large size power bank matters. So I would totally recommend this. I will also have the links in the description where you can go and purchase this product. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Jai Hind.